we're back, and it's bright and orange and sticking out like the biggest thing I've ever seen.
Chicken of the woods is this amazing tree fungus.
Holy, that is some pristine fungus right there.
So much fucking mushroom, it's frightening, isn't it?
We call it a mushroom, but it doesn't really taste anything like the mushrooms you buy in the supermarket. It tastes like chicken, and that's why it's called chicken of the woods.
It's raining. Oh yeah. Stop with the sex noise.
We're always talking about how chicken of the woods browns like real meat and you can use it as a chicken substitute. And just to drive that point home, we took some of the chicken of the woods that we found on that tree and we sculpted it into the shape of a real roast chicken.
Full on vegan roast chicken.
Oh, right.
So it's chicken of the woods mushrooms with
Made
oil.
it look like a chicken.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's quite effective. I thought it was a chicken.
Exactly. There we go. We got the chicken of the woods and we stuffed some lemons up its arse.
Nice.
And just gently let them in there. And then roasted it in a tray before basting it with some lovely hot herby oil of fennel, mustard seed, tarragon, sage, thyme, oregano. It was really sexy. A little bit of seaweed salt.
Here it comes. Just slow it down a bit. In it goes. Oh, that was lovely.
30 minutes. Just like Mama used to make.
Nice bit of char. That looks like a roast chicken.
Okay, shall I carve a bit?
How does it feel? Does it feel like chicken?
It's like chicken. Look at that.
Look, oh my god, it's so real.
Let's just slice down here. Oh.
There we go. Falls off the bone.
Bit of leg.
Yeah, give me the dark meat.
I think we're just going to give you the whole leg. Look at that. We serve it on toast with leeks and butter and cream, and it's But we wanted to recreate roast chicken for a vegan.
The texture's kind of.
And texture's there.